everyone, welcome to the session. Myself Mayuri Vijay Gofne from Deronic Society, Baramati College of Pharmacy, Baranpur, Baramati. Today I am here with the topic of pharmaceutical engineering, that is factors affecting on size reduction under the guidance of respected Professor Bawkar sir. So let us start. Here points to be covered: first, hardness; second, toughness; third, stickiness; fourth, material structure; fifth, moisture content; sixth, softening temperature; seventh, purity required; eighth, physiological effect; ninth, ratio of field size to the product size; and tenth one, bulk density. Here is the brief introduction about size reduction and factors affecting on size reduction. Before that, first we see what is size reduction. So, size reduction is the operation carried out for reducing the size of bigger particles into the smaller one of a desired size and shape with the help of external forces. There are different methods used for size reduction like cutter mill, hammer mill, roller mill, ball mill, end runner mill, edge runner mill, etc. So, the pharmaceutical industry uses a great variety of material including chemical substance, animal tissues and vegetable drugs, which may be hard containing seeds, may be fibrous containing barks or roots, or may be spongy containing the peels. Thus, the method of size reduction are numerous, and selection of a suitable method involves the material property that influence the process. So, one by one we see factors affecting on size reduction. First is hardness. The hardness of material affects the process of size reduction. It is easier to break soft material to a small size than the hard material. It means we can easily break soft material than the hard material. For example, graphite, which is a soft material, whereas stone is a hard material. An arbitrary scale of a hardness has been devised known as a Mohs scale. Here, I want to suggest to all students that there is a sure question on Mohs scale in GPAT exam. So please note this point. The Mohs scale for graphite is 1. The Mohs scale for soft material is greater than 3. The Mohs scale for hard material is less than 7. And the Mohs scale for the diamond is equal to 10. Next is toughness. The crude drugs of a fibrous nature or those having higher moisture content are generally tough in nature. A soft but tough material may present more problem in size reduction than hard but brittle substance. It means that crude drugs having fibrous nature or drugs having higher moisture content are tough in nature, which affect the process of size reduction. Next, stickiness. Stickiness causes a lot of difficulty in size reduction. This is due to the fact that material adheres to the grinding surface or a sieve surface of the mill. It is difficult to power a drugs having gummy or resinous nature if the method used for size reduction generates heat. So, completely dryness of a material may help to overcome this difficulty. It means during milling, the sticky material remain as it is to the grinding surface, which creates a problem during size reduction. So, to overcome such a problem, we should use completely dried material. Next is material structure. Material which show some special structure may cause problem during size reduction. For example, vegetable drugs which have a cellular structure generally produce long fibrous particle on its size reduction. Similarly, a mineral substance having lines of weakness produces flex-like particles on its size reduction. It means material structure affect the size reduction by showing some special structure, like vegetable drugs produces fibrous particle and mineral substance produces flex-like particle on their size reduction. Next is moisture content. The presence of moisture in the material influences a number of its properties such as hardness, toughness or stiffness, which in its turn affect the particle size reduction. The material should be either dry or wet. It should not be damp. The material having 5% moisture in case of dry grinding and 50% moisture in case of wet grinding does not create any problem. It means moisture content affect the size reduction process. Material should be either dry or wet. It should not be damp. To overcome this problem, there are certain criteria for dry and wet material, such as for dry grinding, material should have 5% moisture, and for wet grinding, material should have 50% moisture. Next, softening temperature. Waxy substance such as stearic acid or drugs containing oils or fats become softened during size reduction process if heat is generated. This can be avoided by cooling the mill. It means during milling, temperature of mill get increases. As a result, substance like stearic acid or fat get softened, which create problem during size reduction. So to overcome such a problem by cooling the mill. Next is a purity required. Various mills used for size reduction often cause the grinding surface to wear off and thus the impurity come in the pounder. If high degree of purity is required, such mills must be avoided. Moreover, the mill should be used thoroughly clean between batches of different material in order to maintain the purity. It means if the grinding surface of mill get wear off or there is not a proper cleaning of a mill, then impurity come in the powder. So overcome this problem, proper clean the mill should be used. Next is a physiological effect. Some drugs are very potent. During their particle size reduction in a mill, dust is produced which may have an effect on the operator. In such cases, the enclosed mill may be used to avoid the dust. It means potent drug produces harmful effect to the operator during the size reduction. So overcome this problem, proper marks or enclosed mill should be used. Next is ratio of feed size to the product size. To get a fine powder in a mill, it is required that fairly small feed size should be used. Hence, it is necessary to carry out the size reduction process in several stages using different equipment. For example, preliminary crushing followed by coarse powder and then fine grinding. That is, to get a fine powder, the feed size should be small. Last one is the bulk density. The output of size reduction of a material in a machine depends upon the bulk density of the substance. It means bulk density of material also affects the process of size reduction. So this is all about the factors affecting on size reduction. Thank you.